Hi guys, Rikard here, the dating coach of CairoDating.com, and today I will discuss the 7 qualities women look for in men. And I will also answer the question, what is a woman attracted to in a man? Men often struggle to understand the qualities that women look for in a potential partner. Each woman has different tastes, but some universal traits and characteristics attract many women. And in this guide, I will discuss the 7 qualities women tend to find attractive in men. Generally speaking, of course, but I'm pretty sure that the woman you have a crush on, date, or are in a committed relationship with already have these 7 things on her list. And they might not be in the exact order as I discuss them on this video, but still, they are somewhere there. And especially number 7, I can almost assure you of that one. Anyway, that's the one on any woman's list. And the 7 things women are attracted to are confidence, a sense of humor, intelligence, maturity, compassion, kindness, and respect for women. If you want to get all the details, keep watching this video. And if you like the content so far, please give this video a like, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and turn on notifications by hitting or tapping on the notification bell. And I will notify you whenever I upload new videos here on my YouTube channel. And all of that doesn't cost you anything. And I've also put a link to a free gift that I think you might appreciate in the description below. But I won't reveal what that is just yet, so stay tuned if you want to know what you can expect if you sign up to my free newsletter. Women are of course different and have different tastes and expectations in the man she's dating, depending on what kind of relationship she wants. However, when asked, women often list the 7 qualities I share throughout this video as the qualities they seek in a man. And if you want more tips on attracting beautiful women, no matter if she's your female friend that you find very attractive and want to turn into your girlfriend, or if you're already in some kind of relationship, then go down and click on the link in the description below. You can sign up to my free newsletter, and it's free, and you will get the 10 texts that you can send her tonight, and hopefully make her become your girlfriend, fiancé, or even wife, if that's what you want. Women are drawn to men who demonstrate a healthy amount of self-confidence. A confident man is willing to take risks and accept responsibility for his actions, which shows maturity and independence. And if you're just thinking that being cocky is fun, then let me tell you that repels women, according to my experience anyway, more than attracts them. Confidence can also come in different forms. For instance, being passionate about a specific hobby is attractive because it means that you care about something else than yourself and has an enthusiasm for life. Additionally, a confident man is often seen as more attractive because he's secure in himself and his abilities. And if you want some more tips, check out this video where I share 5 steps to boost your confidence with women fast. It reveals how you can get the confidence to attract women fast and make them accept a date with you. A sense of humor is one of the qualities women look for in a man. You see, many bloggers and researchers have found that a sense of humor can be one of the biggest turn-ons during a date. Women appreciate men who are light-hearted and witty, since it indicates intelligence and generally shows them that the man is someone they can rely on to make them laugh and have a good time. A man with a good sense of humor can also make a woman feel more comfortable and relaxed, which can help to create a stronger connection between the two. Here are some more insights in this video about why humor is an attractive trait in men for women. And I can assure you that you want to binge watch all of these videos to get the most out of this video. And let's talk a little bit about intelligence and maturity now. Women typically look for men who are intelligent and mature. Maturity indicates that a man is responsible and reliable, which can be attractive traits in a partner. Wise men show that they can think clearly and make well thought out decisions instead of impulsive ones. Research also shows that women find men with higher levels of education more desirable than their less educated counterparts. But don't get me wrong here, because if you can treat her with respect and show her a good time, then you're off to a good start, and that can beat someone with a higher education but who is more self-absorbed. Intelligence is also a sign of good genes that attract women. Women also look for confident men with a good sense of humor. A man who can make a woman laugh is seen as attractive and desirable. If you want to become more attractive and desirable to women, check out this video to get some helpful tips. Compassion and kindness are considered two of the most important qualities women look for in a man. A compassionate partner's more understanding and willing to take on difficult situations rather than run away from them is something women find very attractive. Additionally, a kind person shows that they are thoughtful, attentive, and considerate of their partner's feelings. Women tend to gravitate toward those who express kindness and compassion for others. This is because it shows that the man is a caring and supportive partner and is willing to put in the effort to make their relationship work. Furthermore, it demonstrates that the man is emotionally mature and capable of understanding his partner's needs, which is essential in long-term relationships. Respect for women is one of the most important qualities when it comes to what women look for in a man. Women will be better able to form a lasting relationship with someone who demonstrates that they are capable and willing to respect her boundaries, opinions, and feelings. A man should always strive to treat the woman in his life with politeness and respect, and if you can do that, then you're very attractive to most women. This means listening to her, respecting her decisions and opinions, and being honest. That's the most important one, guys. Being honest. It also means not taking advantage of her or making her feel uncomfortable. Respect for women is essential for a healthy relationship and should be a priority for all men. And if you want to know more about it, check out this video, where I talk a little bit about why respect is so important in greater detail. Respecting women starts with the first interaction you have with her. Today, that is some texting, no matter if you're on a dating app or if you're texting a female friend and hope to make her your next girlfriend. Texting is probably the first interaction you will have with her. If you want texts that make you irresistible to women, then you should really go to the link in the description below, click or tap on it, and enter your best email so I can send you the 10 best texts that you should send her today to turn her into your next girlfriend, fiance, or wife. And that's completely for free. That's just my way of saying thanks for signing up to my newsletter, which it will always be free. And if you want more content than that, then you might want to give this video a like to show YouTube that you really like this content. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, and turn on notifications so that I can notify you when I upload new videos here on my YouTube channel. However, I normally publish the article first on my blog, and later I turn it into a video that I publish on YouTube. So to make sure that you never miss anything that I publish, sign up to my newsletter. because if I will do it the other way around, you will still get notified. But throughout this video, I've discussed all 7 qualities women look for in men. Of course, every woman has her preferences and priorities among the qualities I have discussed. That goes beyond saying, and it's something we must acknowledge. If you are trying to date a woman you like, you must show her all 7 from the start. Otherwise, you can give up on dating her and be in a relationship with her forever. Respecting her boundaries, opinions, and feelings will make her respect you. Compassion is another trait women want in men, and it will help them get through difficult times and be thoughtful, attentive, and considerate of their feelings, opinions, and boundaries. It's only natural if those differ from yours. Intelligence and maturity are 2 other qualities that women look for in men. While intelligence is a sign of good genes, which she will look for in a partner if she considers you and her to become parents, maturity is individual, but essential to consider for a woman. Maturity is another significant trait, since it tells her that you are reliable and can make decisions that are thought through and not made on a hunch or whim. And that's something women find attractive. For this reason, highly educated men are in higher demand for women than men with lower degrees of education are. However, if you treat her with respect and treat her almost like a queen, then you are off to a good start, and then you can make any woman fall for you. Humor is also a clear sign of intelligence in women's minds. Men who are light-hearted and witty show them that the man is someone they can rely on to make them laugh and have a good time, and stand a better chance than men who take themselves too seriously. A confident man is often seen as more attractive because he is secure in himself and his abilities. For that reason, confidence is the 7th and last quality that women want in a man that I have discussed in this video, which is one of the traits all women wish for, even if it's not on the top of their list necessarily, that I've shared in this video. And just to remind you, let me sum up the 7 qualities women look for in men. And they are confidence, a sense of humor, intelligence, maturity, compassion, kindness, and respect for women. If you show her all these 7 qualities, she will regard you as a high-quality man she considers lucky to be dating. And that should be your goal if you like her and want to make her your next girlfriend, fiancé, or wife. How can you become the man she wants? We've shared some helpful tips through the article to help you become the man she wants. If you like a woman, you need to become the man she would consider dating. Otherwise, you will not stand a chance of ever getting her out on a date. Some of the qualities discussed throughout the article are more important than others. So if you skipped until the end, you have really missed them. Let me tell you that. But you can still like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to get notified whenever I upload new videos on my YouTube channel. Let me give you an example here. Respect is the most straightforward and challenging to develop, since you must respect yourself before appreciating a woman. Maturity comes with age and experience, so if you're young, there's still hope for you that it will develop over time. Compassion, kindness, and humor are things you can work on daily to improve yourself and become a more compassionate, kind, and fun person to be around. If you show people you care about these traits, you will have no problem attracting a woman. We understand that it might be hard to show these emotions if you have created a barrier to avoid showing vulnerability. However, I would encourage you to display these feelings publicly. People who make other people laugh and feel good about themselves are considered highly attractive. So to become more attractive to women, the easiest way is to crack some jokes when you're on a date or send them to her in a text. And lastly, confidence is the key to finding a woman, which I discuss in this video in greater detail. So I hope that you have enjoyed this walkthrough of the 7 qualities women look for in men, and even more importantly, that you do your utmost to start to developing them ASAP. And if you want more tips like this and always get my latest and greatest content that I normally publish on my blog KairouDating.com first, please go to the link in the description below, enter your best email address and watch that video and get the 10 best texts that you can send her tonight to turn a female friend or your current girlfriend into your next girlfriend, fiance or wife. This is dating coach Ricard signing off. Thanks for watching and bye.